I've received a couple questions regarding the upcoming Ignite Your Radiant Achievement workshop that I want to answer for you today. The first one is, how did you decide to create this workshop, or what inspired you? Well, the big inspiration was my book, which I don't have a copy in front of me right now, was my book, Radiant Achievement. And it's one thing to read a book, but it's another thing to learn live what Radiant Achievement is, what the powers are, and having that awareness of where you are in life and how this can be implemented in your life. So that was my first inspiration. I know that from my own experience, right, live events have just such a different energy. And I was really craving over my Rest, Restore, Realign time to actually attend live events myself. So very serendipitously, I met the owner of Hands to Wellness Collective at an event that she co-hosted that I attended, a Reiki sound healing. And I not only fell in love with her, I fell in love with the venue. It is this beautiful, heart-centered, energetic space. And as I started talking to her and really understanding what the venue was about, her mission and purpose, I felt so much alignment to bring my work, Radiant Achievement, and possibly some other things. So stay tuned. And I couldn't be more excited to be live with you, to really, again, be heart to heart and bring this really conscious material to you and your life. So I look forward to seeing you there.